Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain with your Weebly website. This is an essential step if you want to give your site a professional, branded web address that visitors can easily remember and trust. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you'll see various options for managing your site. Now direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll notice an option labeled Website. Click on it, and underneath that, you'll see Edit Site. Go ahead and click Edit Site to proceed. If you have multiple websites under your account, you'll be prompted to choose which one you want to work with. Select the website where you'd like to connect your domain, then look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. Once you're in the editing interface, focus on the top menu bar. Here, you'll need to find and click on Settings. This section is where all the important configuration options live, including domain management. Make sure you're on the General tab, as this is where the site address settings are located. In the General settings, you'll see a section labeled Site Address. Within this section, there's a highlighted piece of text that says, "Here." Click on it to continue. This link will take you to the domain management area where you can make changes to your web address. Next, you'll notice another highlighted text that reads Connect or Transfer it. Now, click on this text to move forward with the domain connection process. This is the gateway to linking your custom domain to your Weebly site. Now you'll arrive at a screen where you can input the domain name you've purchased. Type in your domain carefully, making sure there are no typos. You'll also see options to either transfer your domain to Weebly or simply connect an existing domain from another registrar. Choose the option that fits your situation. If you already own the domain through another provider and just want to point it to your Weebly site, select Connect. If you want to move the domain entirely to Weebly's management, choose Transfer. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your custom domain to your Weebly website, giving it a polished and professional web presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.